Have you ever wondered if it's possible for two dads to have a biological baby without a mother involved at all? Sounds like science fiction, right? But just recently, scientists in China managed to pull off something that's never been done before. They raised a healthy mouse from two male parents. Yep, you heard that right. A mouse with two dads and zero mom. Let's break down how this mind-bending breakthrough happened. Normally, when mammals make babies, you need a sperm from dad and an egg from mom. That's because of something called genetic imprinting. Basically, some genes in embryos need to come from the mother, while others have to come from the father. If you try to make a mammal embryo with DNA from only one sex, say, two males, it usually doesn't work. The embryo either doesn't grow or it develops serious problems and can't survive. But this team led by Wei Li and Qi Zhou decided to challenge that rule. They found the key was in these tiny tags on our genes, imprinting regions. So what did they do? They took embryonic stem cells from one male mouse and edited out certain parts of the DNA responsible for these imprinting issues. Think of it like disabling booby traps that would otherwise sabotage the embryo's growth. Then they combined these engineered stem cells with sperm from another male. The result? For the very first time, a bipaternal mouse made it all the way to adulthood, healthy and happy. Now, this wasn't just a lucky accident. In fact, using these edited stem cells doubled the chances of full-term birth compared to older attempts. That's a huge leap forward. But why does this matter beyond proving it's possible? For starters, the techniques could eventually help treat rare genetic diseases in humans that are caused by imprinting errors, like Burke-Barrell syndrome. Imagine fixing the genetic code before problems even start. Also, this discovery could make animal cloning way more reliable. Cloning often fails because of the same genetic hurdles, so correcting them first could mean healthier animals and better survival rates. Now, before you get any wild ideas, no, this isn't coming to humans anytime soon. The international scientific community is extremely cautious about editing DNA for reproduction in people. The research is strictly for understanding how genes work and how we might fix inherited diseases. What's next? Scientists are going to keep refining these methods and watch how these two dad mice live, grow, and maybe even have their own pups. We're talking about the frontiers of genetics here with all the promise and ethical questions that go with it. So is this the future of reproduction? For now, it's just one remarkable mouse. But it's proof that when it comes to science, the impossible is always worth exploring. Thanks for watching. If you love wild breakthroughs like this one, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what scientific mystery you want me to tackle next.